Hey, what's going on everybody? It is LeakingCode here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an open button GUI in Roblox Studio using Lua code. Alright, so let's go. So what this is a carry on from my last video, and I'm very sorry that I have not uploaded in months. I've been very busy on my other channel, RGB, go check that out, link in the description. Anyway, right, so let's do this. So, how's this going to work? We're going to create a GUI and with a button, and whenever we click that button, it's going to open and close the GUI for us. I recommend, if you haven't seen the first video of this, I recommend you go see that. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over to Start a GUI, click the plus symbol, and then click Screen GUI. In the Screen GUI, click the plus symbol, click Frame. And now we can scale the frame to whatever we want. I'm just gonna do that and just center it. Doesn't really matter what color you make it. Just do that. And so what we need to do now is don't click the plus sign in the frame, because we need the button and the frame to be two separate objects. So we come back up to the Screen GUI, select text button, and now we can just do whatever we want with this. Just change this to black and text color white or something. It's up to you, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna call this open/close. Just gonna do that, and right, okay, so now that we got all these bits set up, the design, what we're going to do is inside the text button we're going to add a new script. It's very important that you just add a script, not a local script or anything else, just a normal plain script. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to have to define a new variable. Now this is something that I haven't covered before, but it's something that I'm going to be using in a lot more of the future upcoming videos. So we're going to define a variable called frame, just because it's the easiest one to do. So we're going to do local frame, and they're going to do equals script, so script dot parent, so that dot parent screen GUI dot frame, which then selects that. So now that we've defined the frame, I'm going to come down here, we're going to do script dot parent, so that's whenever we click the text button, dot mouse button one click, colon connect, and then function, and make sure you don't have one too many brackets, because that can mess your whole code up. Hit enter, and so what this will do now is whenever we click the text button, anything that goes under here will run. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and figure out whether or not the frame is opened or closed. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do script dot, no sorry, not script, we're going to do frame, we're going to do if frame dot visible is equal to, so that's double equal signs, is equal to false, then, can't forget the n, then we're going to do frame dot visible equals true. So now what this does is it's going to test if it's false. So if it's closed, then it's going to open it. And then we're going to need to make an else statement, otherwise it's just going to be don't forget the colon. Otherwise it's just going to be testing for one option. So we're going to do else frame dot visible equals false. Okay, so that is the whole script. So now what's left to do is to test it. So hit play. Just wait for that to load up. Okay, so as you can see it's open. Click that, closes, and opens. Yeah, and so that's really it. So thank you all very much for watching. I'll be doing more advanced tutorials in the future. And have a good day and continue coding. Bye.